mega cool, mega fun, mega show. Follow me, I'm your friend, Mega Milo.
Whoa, mini friend, what are you doing here?
Hello there.
No way. You were just with Diabolical Bard and he stole the letter D and turned it into many things that start with the letter D?
Why are you with us?
Oh my goodness. Okay, we are at this really, really cool park. So let's go ahead and we're gonna explore and try to find things that start with the letter D. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's do this. Mega! Let's go! Come on, let's go ahead and explore it and see if we can find anything that starts with the letter D. Come on. All right, I think I need to enter right here. So, whoa, this is really gonna test my balance. Here we go. Oh, my goodness. This is like a giant rope obstacle course. Oh, okay, I think if I step on the things that are bigger, not the ropes, I won't fall through. Okay, I'm gonna go under here. Go around and follow me. Under the tunnel. Okay, here we go. We just gotta be really careful not to fall through because, well, we don't wanna get hurt. Come on, Mega Friend. Let's see if we can find anything, whoa, that starts with the letter D. You know, anything that sounds like D. Come on, let's go over here. Whoa. Okay. I may have spotted something. I found a duck! And look, this is really cool. He quacks! Now, duck starts with the letter D. Duck? Sweet! Okay, come on, I'm gonna figure out a way down this thing. Hey, you know what? Maybe I can come down this way. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Yes! Landed. Okay, let's go find some more stuff. Come on! Mini Mindi's over here. I think that she maybe is on like a clue or something. I don't know. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, this is really cool because this is an all abilities park. This is a swing, you know, for kids that maybe they are in a wheelchair and they can't normally get on a swing. So let's go ahead and figure this out.
Hi, Mega Milo.
Mini Mindi, how does this thing work?
No idea.
No idea. Okay, well let's see. Oh, it goes back and forth like this.
Yeah.
Whoa! Here, can we pull on this? Whoa, that's cool! Check it out! We are swinging. Whoa! What the? Wait a minute! Look what I found! Mini Mindi! Wait.
Bluey and Bingo.
Bluey and Bingo starts with the letter B. Are these items that are gonna help us?
Dogs. Dogs.
They're dogs! Dog starts with the letter D. Wow, we got two of them. Hey, Mega, give me a high five. Boink, me too. Boink. Oh, awesome. Well, we found 2 more clues. Okay, well, this is a big park. Let's keep on exploring and see what we find. Come on, Mega Friend. Okay, so we found a couple things that start with the letter D. Oh my goodness. These are not stable at all. Hey, that's kind of cool. Check it out. It's like I'm surfing on a very springy surfboard. Okay, now here's a pretty cool little rope bridge. Let's cross it and see if we can find anything that starts with the letter D. Okay, here we go. Woo, I'm wobbly. Oh, this one's not at all wobbly. Here we go. Oh, rope bridge. Wow, we're like 10 feet high right now. This is cool. Okay, remember, balance. We found Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong definitely starts with the letter D. Good. I mean, he even has a D on his tie. That's awesome. Okay, well, Donkey Kong definitely starts with the letter D. I'm gonna put it in my knapsack. Let's go find some more letters. Here we go.
Hey, Mega Milo, I think I found something with the letter D. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice. Now, Mini Milo, what exactly are these? These look like robots.
They're droids.
Wait, droid? Droids droid starts with the letter D.
Droid.
Here, Mini Milo, what's this guy?
N-I-L-8.
N-I-L, that's his name?
Yep.
Oh, that's a cool name for a droid. What about this guy? He looks like he's ornery.
Super Battle Droid.
Super Battle Droid! Oh. Now, this guy looks familiar. Tell me about this guy.
R4P17.
Wow, that is a mouthful. I'm gonna call him Red Droid. And what about this guy?
Battle Droid.
He's a battle droid? He doesn't look like he's ready for battle. Well, that's
Never
okay.
does.
He never does. Well, they all start with the letter D. So we're gonna put them into our knapsack and we're gonna continue trying to find things that start with the letter D. Let's go, Mega! There has got to be some objects that start with the letter D in this giant play place. So come on, let's go ahead and explore. Let's see, there's like this area with these big bubbles. Maybe we'll, whoa, watch your head. Oh, okay, we can either climb up this way or we could go down that way, which I think that way looks more fun because it's a really long way. Come on, let's go ahead and explore it. Look, I can climb. I can hang like a monkey in here. This is cool. Ah, look, I found some objects already. Whoa, these guys are dinosaurs. This guy looks like, he's kind of like a stegosaurus. Yeah, but he doesn't have big spines. He's got spikes instead. And this guy, well, he's got a big kind of a spike on his back. He looks cool. These are definitely objects that are gonna help us to bring back the letter D. Okay, let's go ahead and put them in our knapsack. Let's keep on exploring. Okay. Huh, this is cool. Check this out, Mega Friend. I can move these. They're like, whoa, they're really loud. They're like giant marbles. Okay, that's cool. Wow, we've got a big decision to make. I don't know which way to go. Maybe, just maybe, we'll climb down here and we'll go up a different way. I'll meet you down there, come on. All right, so I'm coming down nice and slowly. Whoa, oh, a lot faster than I thought. Whoa. Ah, that was a really cool way to get down. Now, here's a really, really big spirally stair area. Let's go up it and see if we can find something else. Come on. Okay, so I just tried climbing up this and it's kind of a small area and I'm kind of a big guy. So I'm gonna enlist the help of Mini Mindi.
Here.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, Mini Mindi, do you think you're gonna be able to climb up here?
Yes.
Awesome, let's do it.
Come on, follow me. So what I really like about this place is that like it spirals up and you know, it's high. I think I'm gonna go down the slide right here. Here I go.
Whoa,
Wow.
Mini Mindi, did you find anything?
Yeah, I found like crayons and a pencil.
Ooh. Okay, so we got color crayons. We've got a pencil and paper, and none of these things start with the letter D. Kind of confused.
Doodle?
You can doodle with a pencil. You can draw with a pencil. Both of those start with the letter D. Nice job, Mini Mindi. Boom, baby. Okay, let's go find some more stuff. Come on. Check this mamma jamma out. This thing is huge. It's kind of a crazy way to get to a slide, but if I know Diabolical Bard, he definitely put something up there. And now, I don't know if I can climb up that high. I'm definitely gonna need the help of Mini Milo. Hey, what's up, buddy?
What's up?
How's it going?
Good.
I need you to climb up there. Do you think you can do it?
Yes. Okay, come on, let's go. Mega Milo, I think I found something. It's an arrow pointing down. Down starts with D. I don't know about you, but I'm going down.
Tell me what you found.
I found a down sign.
Down? That's why you went down the slide.
Yep.
And down starts with what letter?
D.
Yeah! We have found like so many things. We've got to find some more. I know there's more here. Come on, let's go.
Mega Milo, I think I found something.
What'd you find, Mini Mindi?
I think I found a minifigure of Dumbledore.
Oh my goodness, you said his name is Dumbledore?
No, it's Dumbledore.
Dumbledore. Now, Dumbledore, hey, I know him. He's a wizard.
Yeah.
That's cool. And guess what? How many D's does the name Dumbledore have in it?
2.
Yeah, it does. Dumbledore. Sweet. Awesome. Well, we got another thing that starts with the letter D in it. We're getting close. Let's find a few more. Come on, Mini Mindi. Mini Milo is like way down this really, really cool zip line, and I think he found something.
Mega Milo, I think I found something.
Okay, we gotta hurry and get to Mini Milo. The only way to do it is by zipping on the zip line. Mini Mindi, are you up for the task?
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, hop on.
Woo!
Here we go.
Here you go.
Thanks, Mini Milo.
Welcome.
Yippee. I found shovel.
What the? Gotcha.
Yay!
Okay, Mini Mindi, what'd you find?
Shovels.
Shovels? Wait a minute, what did you just say?
Shovels.
When you went, dig?
Yeah.
Did you say dig?
Yeah.
Dig starts with the letter D. We can dig with some shovels. Hey, that's pretty cool. And hey, there's a shovel for me, shovel for you. Well, there's no like dirt. Maybe we'll find a sandbox someday and dig in it. That's awesome. Mega. Haha, let's go find some more things. Come on. Okay, well that zip line was like really, really, really fun and cool. And I think we might have one more thing to find. So we gotta keep our eyes peeled, eyes peeled, eyes peeled. I think we just found the last thing. And it's in the big play structure. It's in the part we haven't been to yet. Okay, remember how we went this way last time? Well, this time we're going this way. We're climbing up the rope chute. Come on. Mini Milo, I'm coming up, buddy.
Yay.
Let's find that last letter D object.
It's right here.
Oh, wait. These are Pokémon. They don't start with the letter D.
Dialga.
What about Dialga?
He starts with the letter D.
That's his name?
Yep.
This is the Pokemon Dialga? Well, that definitely starts with the letter D.
He can do this.
Oh, and his head moves. Whoa, what about this guy? He's orange.
Dragonite.
His name's Dragonite? Whoa, that's cool. He like can fly around. He definitely looks like a dragon. All of those start with the letter D. Dragonite. Dialga. Yeah, we've got all the letters. Let's get everything inside the magical chest to bring back letter D.
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Let's go.
So we're trying to find our way down. We're at the very top of this giant play place.
Come on,
And
Dialga.
I think there's a slide right here. So we're gonna try to go down it and see if it ends up on the bottom. Oh, wow. This is super duper small. Okay. Ugh. We'll see you down the slide. Woo! We made it down.
Woo.
Okay, let's get to the magical chest and put everything inside. Come on.
Go.
We've got the magical chest and we've got all the items. We've got our suitcase full of our Elmo letters. It is time to do the magical exchange. All right, here we go. Let's get the first item, Mini Milo. What is it?
Dragonite.
Dragonite. Starts with the letter D. Dragonite. Okay, what else we got?
Dog.
Bingo, which is a dog. Hello, I'm Bingo. Okay, dog starts with the letter D. Dog. Let's put that in here. There we go. Okay, what's next?
Dig.
Shovels that we can dig with. Awesome. Let's put these guys in here nice and safely. What else we got?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Roar. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Okay, we got dinosaur in. What else Dialga. We've got Dialga, another Pokemon. All right, he's gonna go nice and safe right there.
Duck.
We've got the duck puppet. Duck. Awesome. And what else we got? Ooh, we've got some droids. Nice. Let's put all the droids in. 1 droid, 2 droid, 3 droid, and 4 droid. It's like we're making a letter D soup. This is awesome. We got 2 more. Down, going down into the chest. Very good. And we got anything more?
Yep, a few more.
Oh, we've got a few more. Wow, we got a lot of stuff. Okay, we've got
Doodle.
some pencil, crayons, and paper to doodle with. That's really cool. And, oh, Donkey Kong. Oh, we can't forget Donkey Kong. He's gonna lay down right here with that. Hey, wasn't there like a,
Dumbledore.
There we go. Dumbledore. All right, here you go, Dumbledore. Whoop. That's everything. Okay. See if it worked. Let's see what's inside. There's just not a letter D. There's donuts. Oh, thanks, Diabolical Bard. Great job, Mega Friend. Well, that wraps up another adventure. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you later. Bye.
Follow me everywhere.
Click subscribe and follow me on social media so you can come with me on my next mega adventure.
Mega cool, mega fun, mega show. Follow me, I'm your friend, Mega Milo.